What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Rockstarflipper YouTube channel. Thanks a lot for joining us. Today is Sunday, day before the holiday. Don't forget, tomorrow is a holiday. The USPS and the banks are closed. I believe UPS and FedEx are running. Tomorrow is Washington's birthday, or is it President's Day or just Washington's birthday, right? Not full-on President's Day, maybe it is. I didn't even look, I just know everything is closed. So while we're on the subject of that, and I just wanted to cover this for you guys, balance between life and work. A lot of entrepreneurs miss the mark on balancing how much you work, how much you hang out with the family, how much you vacation, how much you just, goof off, all that kind of stuff. And a lot of people say, I work a lot and I work too much. Do I ever go out? Yes, of course I go out. So this weekend I was by myself. Kate's off hanging out with her family. She's doing the relaxation things, which you guys know she runs a photography business outside of helping me with my business. So she's off, hanging with her sister out past Orlando. And so since she's taking the time off, I decided I would take a little bit of time off. Now you guys know I'm always working, so I don't really take off, but I just wanted to relax a little bit today. And here in Florida, Sunday is considered Sunday Fun Day out in the sun because it's beautiful everywhere, and today was no different, especially when people have off the following day. On Monday, they take full advantage of it. We have some amazing spots, and you guys may remember from the Steve Rakin video last week, 2 weeks ago, that we had an amazing time at a place called Whiskey Joe's on the water, kind of near Tampa Bay, headed towards south of Tampa. And I decided to go back there today because they had a huge holiday party here on Sunday, $5 to get in, alcohol on the beach and drinking and partying and jet skis and boats and food and just an amazing time. And because I was by myself, I didn't stay there and party, so I couldn't really drink and drive and all that stuff. But I decided to just get some video for you guys and show you the atmosphere here in Florida and show you that sometimes we do balance that entrepreneurship and that work with the fun times of what, where you live and what's going on. And of course, where I live, there's no better place, I think, than here on the beaches of Florida to hang out and party and have a great time. So without further ado, let's check out the beach on Florida at Whiskey Joe's. right, so that's a little wrap up, a little look outside at the sunset and the party going on down in Tampa. If you're ever in town, please, please message me. Let's hang out. Let's get lunch. Let's grab a beer. Let's go to the beach. Let's do whatever it is you guys want to do. We'll take some photos. We'll do whatever it is that you want to do on your vacation while you're down here. Another thing, Jimmy Gallup, thank you so much for sending me the box of chocolates on Valentine's Day. Really appreciate that. He found this cool box of Rockstar chocolates. So thank you, brother, for that. Appreciate it. Thank you to everyone who sent me stuff. And on that note, I had a lot of requests to mail me stuff. Guys, you don't have to mail me anything. And thank you to Shantae for the sign, and Knight for the bottle, and everybody who's mailed something, and especially to Candace for the outfits for the dogs. They love them. Rockstar outfits. But if you guys do insist on sending something to me, I had an old P.O. box. I'm going to go ahead and get one, and I will put that into the YouTube description box, and I will also, if you ask, I'll give it to you. That way you can mail stuff. I don't want you guys mailing stuff here to my house, besides the fact that who knows if it'll make it, and I just don't want my address out to everyone. So I'll get the P.O. box. I'll send it to you guys. Thank you to everyone who does mail something, but please know that we appreciate it, but you do not have to mail anything here, only if you insist on it. So I'll get that taken care of this week and update you on that. Thank you everybody for watching. Thanks so much for joining us. Thanks for being a part of this channel and a part of the journey. Have a wonderful rest of your weekend and enjoy your day off on Monday. No shipping, no banks, and we'll see you again tomorrow night with another video. Thanks everybody. Bye.